So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can render the animations of the 3D objects that you have been created using Blender. You can create any type of animation if you are familiar with Blender. Once you create your animation, for example, if I open the Blender or my Windows PC, so this is the basic animation I've created using rotation keyframe for this cup glass. You're gonna see this is the basic animation. Now to render this animation as a video file source, first of all I need to set the camera angle. So when you click on this option of camera over there with this window, you can see this is the camera angle and this is how the animation is going to be looking after rendering. So you can adjust this camera angle as well as per your convenience. You can move the camera or do something else. For example, if I set it to this location and I just again simply hit camera again, you can see the camera is all set. Now to render the video, you just need to, or the animation, you just need to simply hit this option of render. When you click over this this button, you're gonna see this option of render animation, which has a shortcut of Control F12. Also you can simply press that as well. Just simply click on this button of animation, render animation. Now you're gonna see the rendering has been started. This rendering rendered animation is going to be in the form of multiple sequenced images, so you can combine all them to create a video as well. You can see once it get combined, you can just simply hit this and save this project as well. You're gonna see this is the basic keyframe to export the animation, and here you're gonna see all the details as well, like how many frames are exported or the created and the time taken, and this is the more details. So by this method you can easily render animation of a 3D object that you have been created using Blender software. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.